'Cause what we have is real and true, and every day I choose you. I love you always, through silence and song, and the nights that feel too long. When the spark is dim, but the soul still stays. When we both run out of ways, no conditions, no delay. I love you always. And when we're gray and walking slow, and the mirror says we've let years go, I'll look at you like the very first time, still lost in the rhythm of your eyes. Even if the world forgets our name,